Welcome back to episode 3 of Blacktop Devil's horrible how-to videos. I had not planned on doing this video, but I'm trying to do a video every week. And the footage I got last weekend didn't really work out the way I wanted it to work out. So you guys get this instead. Lady Devil's been wanting a cup holder, mostly for coffee in the morning. And she does a lot of GoPro stuff while she's on the back of the bike filming, you know, different things she sees. So it's hard for her to hold coffee and record. So she wanted a cup holder, so we went with the Ciro just because I got the Ciro on the front. It matched. Plus I really like it. So I'm not sponsored by them, obviously, but they make a good product. So we're gonna throw it on real quick, and hopefully this video won't be boring as shit. Instructions. Just kidding, I need those. Get a sticker. Receipt. Looks like shrink tubing. Figure out what that's for. Bracket. The ball mount and the cup holder. And I put all that shit on the trunk, now I gotta take it off. Alright, we gotta get the liner out of the trunk, so I'll swing you guys over here. And we'll pull it out. There's 2 bolts on the back side right here that hold this bag on. You gotta take those out first. She wants it on the right side, so that's where we're gonna put it. So you want, with that down, whatever side it is, pointing away from the bike, and then you just tighten these down like that. So when it sits on the bike, it will drop down just like that on the top of your speaker pod. But first I gotta tighten these up, and then there's some heat shrink that I'll put on this. I'm not gonna lie to you, the heat shrink's a little bit of a pain in the ass to get on. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a joint right there that it doesn't quite want to go around, but I got it on, so I'm not gonna bitch. You are supposed to cut the heat shrink for the 96 to 13. I'm cutting it after the fact because I wasn't sure how far I was gonna get it on and how pissed off I was gonna get. But I got it all the way on, and so I'm just cutting it off with my knife. But it would probably look better if you cut it off with scissors first. I don't have a heat gun, so I use fire. Fire. To shrink my heat shrink. Alright, so that is what it looks like. I probably could have done a better job. I probably could have cut that a little shorter. But it is what it is. Then you just drop it down over the bolt and tighten it back up. And you can drop your liner back in. Put that little guy on. And there it is. stupid simple install. It only took me like 20 minutes, even moving the camera around and trying to get the right angles and stuff so you guys could see it. Well, hopefully Lady Devil will enjoy her coffee now in the mornings and have a place to put it. I'll see you guys next week.